This assessment asks us to predict the product of this reaction. An organolithium reagent is a strong nucleophile that can directly attack an aldehyde, and when it does so, it will form an alcohol after acidic quench. So our product for this reaction will keep the cyclopentene. The methyl group will stay. I'm going to, instead of drawing this on a dash, I'm going to draw the hydrogen on a wedge. That's a way of drawing the same thing. Because when I attack this carbonyl to form an alcohol, I will form a new stereocenter. So I'll have an alcohol at this position, and then I will have the allylic group off of this carbon. This is one of the products of this reaction. I have formed a new stereocenter. This reaction will form a mixture of stereoisomers at this position, but I can't just write plus minus. This is not going to form a mixture of enantiomers. We need to be a little bit careful about this. When there are other stereocenters in the molecule that don't change, we still form a mixture of stereoisomers, but enantiomers is no longer the correct descriptor. The other product that we would form would be this alcohol here, and these products are not enantiomers of each other. The relationship between these products is diastereomers. So the answer to this question, the products that we form are the mixture of these two alcohols as a mixture of diastereomers.